everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, namely the use of artificial intelligence or AI on campus. With me here is Fando as our guest speaker. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank
Yes.
you. I'm excited to discuss this topic because AI has become an important part of education nowadays.
That's right. So my first question is, do you think AI should be allowed in academic activities?
Yes, I think AI should be allowed, but with certain limitation. AI can help students understand difficult subject, improve reading skill, and save time when doing research.
Hmm. Can you give an example?
Of course, for example, many students use AI application to summarize long article or explain complicated concept. According to educational studies, AI can improve learning efficiency and support personalized learning.
That sounds beneficial. However, some people think AI makes students lazy and dependent on technology. What is your opinion?
I apparently agree with that. If students use AI to do all of their assignment without thinking critically, it can reduce creativity and problem solving skill, and therefore universities should create regulation regarding the proper use of AI.
Interesting point. Do you think AI can replace lecture in the future?
No, I don't think so. AI can provide information quickly, but lecture have experience, emotional intelligence, and the ability to guide student personally. AI should only be used as a supporting tool.
Some research also mentioned that AI can interest academic the honestly because students may use it to cheating. How can universities overcome this problem?
University should educate students about academic ethics and teach them how to use AI responsibility. In addition, lecture can design assignment that encourage critical thinking and personal reflection.
Okay, personal reflection. Some people some people are good that AI can reduce students creativity. Do you agree with that statement?
It depends on how students use AI. If students only copy information from AI, their creativity may decrease. However, if they use AI as a tool to generate ideas and them develop those ideas by themselves, AI can actually improve creativity.
Improve creativity. Okay. Do you think universities need special policies regarding AI usage?
Yes, definitely. University should have clear policies. Students should be allowed to use AI for learning and research assistant, but not for plagiarism or cheating during examination.
Can AI help can AI help students with disabilities?
Absolutely, AI can provide speech to text feature, translation tool, and personalized learning system. This technology can make education more inclusive and accessible.
Accessible. Okay. What what challenge do what challenge do universities face when implementing AI?
Okay, one challenge is the lack of digital literacy among student and lecturer. Another challenge is maintaining academic integrity and protecting personal data.
If you were a university rector, what policy would you implement regarding AI?
I will allow students to use AI responsibility and provide training about ethical AI usage. I would also encourage lecturer to redesign assignment the required critical thinking and original idea.
Finally, what message would you like to share with university students regarding AI?
Students should see AI as a
Okay.
learning partner, not as a shortcut to avoid studying technology. Technology should help us become smarter and more productive.
Okay, thank you very much for your opinion, Fando. It was very informative discussion.
Thank you for having me. I really enjoyed on our discussion today.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Fando. See you.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our podcast. Today is why university student should learn English. With me today is Sultan, our guest speaker. How are you, Sultan?
I'm fine. I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm happy to discuss this important topic.
Okay. First of all, what do you think English is important for university student?
English is important because it is an international language. Many academic books, journals, and research articles and written in English. Students who understand English have greater access to knowledge.
Okay, that's true. How about future career?
Future career. Future career. English is also very important in the workplace. Many companies prefer employees who can communicate in English because they may work international clients or business partner.
Can English improve job opportunity?
Absolutely. People who speak English usually have more opportunities to get scholarships, internships, and better jobs. In today's global era, English proficiency is considered an important skill.
What about technology, Sultan?
Most technological developments, software and online learning platform use English. If students can understand English, they can learn new technologies more easily.
Okay, some students say learning English is difficult. What would you say to them?
To them. Okay, I understand. I understand the feelings, but learning English is a process.
Yes.
Student can improve gradually by practicing every day, watching English videos, watching movie, listening to the podcast and speaking with friends.
Okay. Do you think English is only important for students who want to work abroad?
No, no, no. Not at all. Even in Indonesia, many companies require employees to understand English because they work in international clients and use English documents.
Okay. How can English help students in their academic life?
Many scientific journal and textbook are written in English. Students who understand English can access more information and conduct better research.
Okay. Some students feel embarrassed, to speak English because they are afraid of making mistake.
Yeah.
What advice would you give to them?
Mistakes is a natural part of learning.
Yes.
Students should practice regularly and not be afraid of speaking. Confidence grow through practice.
Okay. How does English influence communication in the digital era?
In this digital era, most websites, online courses, and technological research
Okay.
are variable in English. Therefore, English skills help students gain knowledge more easily.
Okay. What can university do to improve student English proficiency?
Universities can provide English clubs, seminars, international programs, and opportunity to communicate with foreign students.
Okay. Lastly, what will happen if university student ignore English skill?
They may have fewer opportunities in education and employment.
Okay.
In today's global world, English is no longer an advance but an important necessity.
So what? It's your conclusion.
My conclusion is that university students should learn English because it supports academic success, career development, and global communication. English open English opens many opportunities for the future.
Okay. Okay, alright. Thank you, Sultan, for sharing your opinions. I hope our discussion can motivate students to improve their English skills.
Thank you. I really enjoyed our discussion today.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah,
Sultan.
thank you, Pando.